How to buy and sell CNFTs to earn. Cardano NFT tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on CNFTs, Cardano NFTs, and I'll show you everything you need to know and how to get started and how we can buy and sell CNFTs, how to get a Cardano wallet and connect it to the marketplace, what are the marketplaces out there, and how this NFT marketplace works. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys can do is you can go to an NFT marketplace for Cardano, and it's called CNFT.io. And this is a Cardano NFT marketplace where all of the NFTs are minted on Cardano. So this is actually one of the famous Cardano NFT marketplace, and it is gaining popularity with time. We know that as compared to the Ethereum NFTs that maybe Solana now, Cardano is not that famous. But if you are looking to buy and sell on Cardano and get very good NFTs, very good art, or you want to get different assets, then you can use Cardano NFTs. So first of all, once you are on Cardano or CNFT.io, this is the platform right here. I'll show you the different options available. I will also show you different NFTs, different art, that what kind of art is available on CNFT.io. But the first step is going to be connecting our wallet to CNFT.io. So I'm going to click on a link wallet right here. This is the option, and you can see we have other options as well. When it comes to a Cardano wallet, there is Nami, Eternal, Fent Wallet, Kero, and Typhon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my Nami wallet because I have Nami. Now, if you do not have Nami, first of all, let me actually connect. You can see we have this wallet. I'm going to click on access. It will ask my permission, and I'm going to sign. Okay, entering password. And my wallet is connected. So you can see now my ADA wallet, my Cardano wallet is connected to my CNFT.io. If you do not have a Cardano wallet, just go to namiwallet.io. You will get on this platform. If you're using Brave Edge, you can go with this. If you're using Chrome, click on Chrome. It will take you to the Chrome web store, and you just need to add the Nami extension to your Google and create your wallet, just like we create a MetaMask wallet for Ethereum. So you will just create a wallet with your email address and set up a password. That's it. And you can then add it to your extensions right here, and I can pin it as well. So you have a Cardano wallet now. You'll simply go to CNFT.io now and connect your wallet. That's what I did. So we're good to go. Let's explore CNFTs. So we're getting the explore option. If we click on explore, it will take me to the open marketplace of Cardano. If you have used other NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea, Rarible, the ones for Ethereum, it's quite similar. So we have explore, and in explore we have all of the open Cardano NFTs, and the price for Cardano NFT, you can see it's going to be in ADA, as we know. So you can see we have 10 ADA, 8 ADA, 12, 300. Then there are different lands, and we can buy them. We have NFT art right here. The art looks pretty good, mostly 2D art. That's what I'm noticing. Okay, this one is pretty cool. And then we have, if I scroll down, the art is going to be there. This one looks really cool. Very artistic NFTs, to be honest. And you can see we have different game cards and stuff like that as well on Cardano. So this is the open marketplace on Cardano. Then we have projects. So let's go to the projects, and it will show me the trending projects on CNFT.io, the Cardano NFT projects that are out there. So what I can do is I can now explore them and buy and sell Cardano NFT. So I'm going to open this one up, which is like Derp Birds. I have opened up Derp Birds right here. This is one of the Cardano NFTs. So you can see total sales 1.7 MADA, followers 7, total items 1,000, floor price is 140 ADA. Oh, the art looks pretty good and kind of like very similar to Bored Ape Yacht Club, like that kind of. You can see Derp Ape, that's what it's called. Now, if I want to buy an NFT, that's what I will show you. So I'm going to go with this one. This one is 38 ADA. So this is the price right now for this NFT. If I open it up, I can see the asset tags, asset details. Then we have price history as well. And this is the NFT that, let's say I want to buy on Cardano. So I'll click on buy now. And it will open up my wallet for me, and it will ask for my transaction. So I do not have any funds right now in my wallet, so Unfortunately, I cannot buy it, but you will add funds to your Nami, right? You will deposit funds. How to get a Nami wallet? There is also a video on the channel about Nami wallet if you want to get more details. So you will just, check out the transaction, and that's it. You will be able to buy your CNFT from here. If you want to sell CNFT on this platform, then what you have to do is I'll take you back to the projects. And what I can do now is you can see there is a create project option. So I will click on create project. All right. And this is where I can add and mint NFTs on Cardano, and I will be able to sell them. So let's go through that. Project name. Let's go ahead and quickly call it Board Monkeys, just randomly. Then you will add the description right here. You know what? I'm going to go with the same project I have on OpenSea. Okay. So I'm going with my own project, which is like Colorful Bitcoin, and this is where we will upload the logo, the banner image, and the featured image of our NFT of our project that we have. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna upload a logo image for my project from my computer. So for instance, I'm going with this image right here. Again, I went with a random image for this one. Okay, so let's just call it the art. This is the project name. This is the logo image. We have description, policy ID, any ID nickname you want to add. Right here, you can do that. Category. So in category, I'm going to select art. And then we have social handles that I can add here. I can add my Twitter, my Discord, my Instagram, and additional link if I want to. Project type. Mark your project as NSFW. It has explicit content. Well, it does not have explicit content, so I'm not going to mark this one. And then we have, you can apply for Launchpad if your project is upcoming. It's not an upcoming project, so I'm not going to select this, but you can do for apply for Launchpad so that it will be added to the Launchpad. It will be good for your promotions, and it will say that your project will be launched soon, and it will help you gain the audience and get the traffic. So this is going to be the two options. And then all I need to do is click on create project. My project will be created, and after that I can sell CNFTs. So it's really easy to use cnft.io. If you already use OpenSea or any other platform, then it's like very easy for you. It's a piece of cake because it's very similar to those NFT marketplaces. Only the difference is that our wallet that we connected is a Cardano wallet, and the buying and the selling will be on Cardano. That's it. So these are project, these are activity, and Launchpad that I showed you. This is Launchpad where we can add our NFT project while listing it, and it is introduced here. And it's sent to the Launchpad, and it says that it will be launching soon. This is my profile on cnft.io. It will show me all of my different NFTs. I can set the price as well, and we can sell NFTs for 100 ADA, for 48 ADA, 50 ADA, 280, 1080 if we want, and make money. Of course, if you are an artist or a graphic designer, or if you create NFTs already, then you can also list them on cnft.io and make money. Of course, we can also sell different game tokens and our art, our NFT art right here very easily on Cardano and make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. And now you know how to buy and sell CNFTs to make money, how to get started. This was a beginner's tutorial to help you get started with cnft.io. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.